subscribe. You could be Poppin too. So today I'm gonna introduce you to one of my best hair friends, rice water. So I'm sure a whole lot of you have heard about rice water and be like, oh my god, does it really work? And I'm here to tell you that it does work, and I'm gonna show you how to make it work. So what you're gonna need is rice, of course, and water, obviously. So there are two ways you can use rice water. You can have soaked rice water or boiled rice water. So I prefer to use boiled rice water, so that's what I'm going to be showing you today. But if you prefer, you can make the soaked rice water. Let's go.
Alright, so first you're going to rinse out your rice. Pour out that water because it's all dirty. Then you're going to boil some fresh water, put it into your pot of rice, and switch on your stove. Let that rice water boil, and you're going to take some of it because that's what you're going to use on your hair. It's full of starch and nutrients and all that stuff that's really good for hair growth and all that. See? Rice water. If you want, you can carry on boiling your rice. There's something to eat later. Make sure to rinse it out to avoid those clumpy things. And you can use that water in your rice water too, just to add some extra, Alright, perfect. Rice water.
Rice water. Okay, I just put it in a jug so I can pour it into my spray bottle thingy. So you need a spray bottle thingy. I'm gonna take my rice water and my spray bottle, and I'm just gonna, put it in. Or else how are you gonna spray? You won't be able to. We're gonna use this spray bottle thing. What you're gonna do now is you're gonna section your hair into either 2 or 4 parts. Let's do that. I have with me my crusty sectioning comb, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna open up my hair. It's already in half, so I don't know why I went to go get my sectioning comb, but alright, that was intense. Okay. So my hair still has some product in it, so I'm just gonna do this so it can come out. You're gonna take your rice water, your trusty rice water. You're just gonna spray it everywhere in your hair. Okay, so your hair is gonna be soaking wet. So actually, okay, that's better. Alright, so once your hair is completely soaked in rice water, so wet. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take a wide tooth comb. This is my trusty wide tooth comb. Yeah. And you're just gonna take it through. I'm just gonna add some more of this just so you can really get it in there. And the massage. It's really good for your scalp to do this. It just really gets the juices flowing. Alright, cool. And then you're going to take a shower cap. And you're going to put all your hair in it. Yeah. Cool. If you don't have a shower cap, you can use a plastic packet. It's okay. This is a no judgment zone. You can use a plastic packet. Okay. Once you have your shower cap, you're gonna get your towel. Alright, so once your hair is in a shower cap and a towel, you're gonna want to leave it for about an hour. Not a very sexy towel, but it's okay. It's got this kind of warmth, I guess, around it. You're gonna leave it for an hour. You can do whatever you want. You can go watch a series, you can do some schoolwork, you can eat your rice. It's been about an hour. I'm gonna take off this towel. My hair hasn't dried yet because of the cap, so I'm hoping, the rice water soaked in. But I'm gonna take off this towel. So yeah, nothing has really changed. My hair is still damp, but what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna rinse it out, because if it completely dries, it's completely rice water free. And yeah, it kind of feels like when you shampoo your conditioner right now. So I'm gonna add some conditioner. This is Organics. This is my favorite conditioner. This is just normal conditioner. It's really great to leave it in your hair because it moisturizes it and it's not oily or anything. So there we go. That was the rice water tutorial, how to use it, how to go about rice water. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, follow, share, anything. I'd love to hear from you. And yeah, thank you.